हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल किड्स टीवी। ये हैं कलर्स, ये हैं हमारे कलर्स। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट कलर्स नेम। दिस इज अ पिंक कलर, पर्पल कलर, green color, red color, yellow color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color। ये है हमारे colors। This is a colors name। Now let's start alphabet ABC। A for apple. A for apple. B for bee. B for ball. C. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F is for fish. For girl. H. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snail. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for watermelon. X. X is for Xmas tree. Y. Y is for yellow color. Z. Z is for zebra. This is the alphabet ABC. Now let's start again. A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for iguana, J for jackal, K for kite, lemon, M for mouse, N for nest, O for ostrich. P for pigeon, U for quail, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for vulture, W for watermelon, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. प्लीज़ हमारी वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।